So just going to do a short video here on how to use our preheater for our aircraft. You come to the hangar, it's a cold day, maybe it's 0 degrees or less, and you want to preheat the engine before your flight. So the best way to do that is to install the preheating device before you do your walk around and put all your equipment in. So let's take a look to see where that's at. So it's just hung up at the back of the hangar here behind GMA, the Aerotherm. Okay, it's just kept in this this nice bag here. So we'll grab that, and we're also going to have to grab the extension cord. And we're going to have to use this one here because we need a 3-prong grounded plug. So you can just disconnect the one temporarily off the winch system here. So we'll take this off. All right, so let's take a look what's inside. To open it up, comes with 4 foams and then the heating unit. So essentially the Aerotherm Alien Turbo. Okay, there's your connector there. So what you do, ideally you want to see the location of the prop, and this is in a good spot so you can actually insert the hoses. So we have a strap system here. Okay, so simply all we have to do is unravel it. Is it gets clipped on the inside of the shaft area, and it just hangs freely like that. We get our support foams, and the hose literally just gets inserted into the forward cowling area. We use the foams to try to mitigate the loss of air. This one moves a little bit, so you might have to fiddle with it a little bit. Okay, and as you can see, due to the way it hangs, it can move a little bit. Okay, so we'll take the power cord. You simply plug it in. You can hear it running, and right over here, see there's a adjustable thermostat. Okay, so as you can see, it goes down to 40 and it goes all as far as 70. Okay, red line's out just at there. You set your temperature and you just leave it here while you're doing your walk around. So we might have to adjust these a little bit. Should be pretty good like that. So that's it. You just let it run. If it's a very cold day, you can turn it up. It's losing a bit of air in through here. It's just heating up the external side of the engine in any case. And typically your walk around is going to take you at least 15 minutes or so, at least to do your walk around and checks and install your personal items into the aircraft. And you can just let this preheat the engine. Thermostat, you can hear it click when it engages. Okay, so it's clicking just around 60, so obviously if it's below that, it's not going to engage the heating device. So because it's fairly cool today, you can turn it right up and get the heat in there. So reversing of this, removing this obviously is the opposite. Disconnect that, pull out your foam. Grab onto the support strap, release the buckle, and then replace the unit back inside the bag for storage. And that's about it. And you'll have a nice warm engine for startup. So we're going to just make sure we stow it back into the same place we found it. Just hang it up here. Probably going to put a label up there in the future, but you know where it works, Liz. And of course, make sure that the charger for the winch comes back in so it'll maintain trickle so we can use the winch if needed.